Today I'm going to show you a Google Chrome extension called Hybryd that makes meetings better, a lot better. Download Hybryd for free right now via the link in the video description. Hybryd allows you to create and distribute a timed agenda and meeting objectives from within your calendar invite. That way, everyone invited to the meeting knows exactly what to expect. You can also allocate any required pre-work, such as reading a report, and you can allocate pre-work to specific meeting attendees. Once in the meeting, Hybryd will display the agenda along with a progress bar overlay which can be turned on or off depending on how structured you want your meeting to be. If your meeting is highly structured, the progress overlay is very useful for keeping all of the meeting attendees engaged and on track. Sometimes though, meetings are messy and your original agenda needs a little flexibility. When this happens, simply click Allow Time Overrun. Doing this will allow you to stay in the current agenda item and deduct time from later items. You then press the forward button to move on. As a host, this feature provides structure, control, and flexibility. You'll notice that as the meeting progresses, the timer is keeping everyone up to date and aware of where they are. You have the option of enabling a sound alert that will signal there are 60 seconds left before the end of the agenda item. This is super helpful when you need to make sure the meeting sticks to the allocated time. One of my favourite features is the ability to take live notes and minutes. You can edit the name of an agenda item and you can add a new agenda item during the meeting. Wrap-up time is a dedicated amount of time at the end of each meeting for you to review notes and assign actions to meeting attendees. It is calculated by default, but if you're ahead of schedule or you don't need the wrap-up, you can forward through the agenda items and give attendees some time back, something meeting attendees will always appreciate. At the end of the meeting, you have the option of ending the meeting but staying on to tidy up your notes before distributing them. You can then distribute notes and actions to yourself and to attendees. This is what the email looks like when you distribute notes and actions. You can even set due dates. Hybryd gives you the option of storing notes in the cloud. If you prefer to turn this feature off, you will still receive an email, but the notes will not be stored. You can view all of your meetings and agenda items in one place by using the Hybryd timeline right here. As you can see, Hybryd is on a mission to make meetings better. Download Hybryd right now while it's free and let me know in the comments what you think because I always love hearing from you. Bye for now.